What's up, you guys? Chet Guthrie, the Dream Poet here, coming to you all with day 185 of my vlogging experience here in the state of Florida. And as you all can see, today is a beautiful day outside. It's a nice fall day. It's about 75 degrees outside. And it looks like a little bit of string has gotten caught onto that boat of mine. I want to fix that in a minute. But you guys, time for day 2. Sorry, I hope I'm not making anyone sick. Getting this completely sanded. And who knows? We might put some teak wood oil on. Let's do it. Well, this is going to be a fun predicament. See, I got to pull it from there. So, let's do it. Okay, now, before we start getting to sanding, we are going to do more fishing. This time, Wendy's, not buttermilk, but Wendy's home-style chicken. I don't know, this might be a new thing, I don't know. But you guys, let's hook this up. Points. Alrighty, time for round 2. Dang. It's alive! Mwahaha! It's alive! I'm not gonna do that again. That's the one freebie for today. But once again, my friends, looks like the sun has set down on me. I'm off tomorrow though. And quite honestly, I think I could probably finish it all up then. And then, we'll probably put some teak oil on it. And for your information right here, that particular spot right there, that was about 20 minutes of sanding to get it from looking like one of those to like one of those. And this really is what it needs to look like. Sorry, I had to fix that. The camera was slightly off angle, and it looks like it may or may not still be. But in the meantime, you guys, while I'm waiting for a fish, or at least I'm going to do a little bit of fishing, I'm going to read more of my 2 books. Okay, you guys, I'm not having any luck. It's been about an hour, but I know what. I've been wanting to do this since I first saw it, but we are going to go take a few photos at the pumpkin patch. I don't know. Feels like whatever it was got a hold of my bait. Shoot. I do not know about you guys, but shooting with this new camera is like a bajillion times better. More clearer too. In the comments below, let me know what you think of my photos. 'Cause I think they turned out pretty good tonight. This was a good outing and a good experiment. Yeah. Although I couldn't find my glasses at the boat, so that should be an interesting drive home. Well, you guys, I hope today wasn't as boring as I thought you all would think it to be. Got stuff done. Didn't catch any fish though. But the first half of this side of my boat is sanded properly. Granted, there's a couple more spots that I gotta hit. And tomorrow, you guys, we might go ahead and put the teakwood oil on it. Make it look nice again. I think I'm gonna wake up tomorrow and I'm not sure if I'm supposed to work tomorrow, but I'm going to be at Earth Fair, just keeping my P's and Q's till then. So yeah, gonna do that. Woo. Woo. But you guys, I hope you all enjoyed my photos too. It's been forever since I actually posted some good photos, and those turned out really good. I can't tell you all how happy I am, but this D7000 produces really, really good stuff. It makes me kind of think back on the days when I had my D5200 and every good possible photo crapped out on me every single time. But I'm good now. Much better. But day 185 is over, you guys. Only 5 more months and 28 days of doing this. Thank you all for being there with me every step of the way. And for those that are going to continue to come in and subscribe and watch my videos,